Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily turn off the Do Not Disturb feature on your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and let us get started with you. So, if you have Do Not Disturb enabled, you'll be able to see this. If you swipe down on the right-hand side of the screen, pause, and you can see that you have it on. Don't worry. In order to turn it off, you just need to tap on the month sign. You will now have the normal mode. Or you can click on the word Do Not Disturb itself. And here already choose the mode you want to switch to. This is professional mode, sleep mode, driving mode, or to the mode that you have in this list. If you, for example, you want to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode because it is automatically activated, then you will need to go into the phone settings. Here go to the focus section. Then go to Do Not Disturb mode. Scroll down to the bottom. And here, as you can see, there's a time feature. And if the Do Not Disturb mode, you have it enabled just like I do, for example, that it turns on automatically at 11 p.m. and turns off at 8 a.m. If you want to turn off this daily mode, you can just right here disable it. Then it will not be active, or you can delete it. This way you will be able to disable the Do Not Disturb feature on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also write your direct gifts. Be sure to put your likes and see you soon.